Obia nyobia obia nyobia obia nyobia obia nyobia. I was young rough the foolish Ghanaian and go call pie also obia nyobia massa obia nyobia. Or no so reply and if you just nigga Tween Jonas any TikTokers now omudi na temi fat Asante F00LS just say I on rough demonstration eboy ready now Asante F00LS do munti ase rough as a bit much no be born adwon pa chat and the phone enya asem kuma o akwode di atempa Otumfuo Asantehene fools dia wadi atem me wan kirebu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah mess was say di mu obe like video no that one subscribe button so be click notification icon of latest update na be kire wadwen dia ama me e wo comment section best was so baso no wa share for so enya bi ahwe enti last week ana Raf the fellow Ghanaian on na powerful the fix the country activist omuko shemu Accra na omuye demonstration na demonstration no na teacher nyina stop galamsey now demonstration galamsey say nso ni ensas any other de nyina wani etua bi Emma Raf mu ye demonstration but demonstration come ga say settings as a mudi agro be concert party na so mu ye as a mu ye bi ahwe say bi agana fo nka say say mahama ba de mo person demonstration na mo tanku for any other as a mu ye bi na ahwe there wasn't any seriousness in this. There wasn't any seriousness in a demonstration. The were energy of the demonstration in 2024 now, and yet this energy. Now, Emono and a rough, I can't say, now for just because I just to Yura.
When Otumfuo's mother's funeral was ongoing, we saw all the politicians there, all the big people that we recognize in this country were there. Otumfuo himself admits and even made a statement that all these people sitting here are aware of the galamsey going on. That means Otumfuo, I'm coming, but Otumfuo himself, who leases out the land for these people to do the galamsey.
So hold on.
No, who does that? I am only saying that we should also throw the legs of our traditional rulers to speak for us. Because if Otumfuo speak today, right, the politicians will listen more than we listen. Imagine Otumfuo coming out today, right? I am not litigating nothing. All I'm saying is, no, we are not litigating. We are having a conversation. The government has failed because our people who have the power is not also holding them accountable.
And so when I rough I can and Asante for ebu fu ye as the train by Canadian tira no
A rough no he bibi nya sa bosumi we nkwa wie na ma obi aku afiri wiase unnim se NDC fo na ye galamsey sensuo eye dan na ado kwase akogina ho se wakwaji sika se wo betwa ntro se Otumfuo ne betima stopun ai illegal mining aden wagimi sa
Afia Schwar go gun so parliament
see your comment be for Asante F00LS e beje reply me say NDC for if you don't cage your dog na yam say rafu Jimmy a na yam say rafu Jimmy headquarters ne a tie omo Jimmy ni na omo me ni obi e mfiri mu because obi e ni ho a na dockets any phone is so na mo nkofo na mo de mo nsake Mustafa na mo ye me ho mo na mo aye Mustafa ahye no na mo ye me ho sapto na mo hwehwe rafo mo hwehwe no mo na mo de mo nsake Mustafa. Take this as a fucking warning. And some of met's not coming with so I can mo ba bomb sama mame and then you na so ye no kore metu mire na ma kire sie metu mire na ma kire sie mo nsuma no no nsa me kasenti Asantehene biom mo nsuma no samra no me kasenti Asantehene biom mo mara no me sa bo Jimmy fo kronfo ba no akwa na ne papa ko wie scan se mu ja no e ma ne be yen kwose ade no ye ni biem Julius Debra kiss all your presidential ambitions bye bye. The mu ja boy is so me Jimmy Bima Julius Debra me say NDC John Mahama has done enough to them.
I'll bring up a class with him.
NDC ni abrantie ya omuade omuhwe e wo krom ha because ne papa aye DC chief executive NDC part 1 President Mahama Penso omu obia wo krom ha and wa hide behind the yisa ni party na aba power and audience and phone okoko dina ho a se said enye the responsibility of President Akufo-Addo, President John Dramani Mahama to deal with the galamsey activities. Namom, a nipa obetima stop galamsey or Ghana. His Royal Majesty Asante Maura Otumfuo Asantehene. Assemble na andisi amanyoko na somano se onyakwanya onka.
Hey, Biscout na prem can I chire no. The reason show this year but ebe clash no. Trouble colors ko be kan nyina chire o mu nyina je say obi a be kan chire raf na emu no ana raf ahwe no se da bi. Se ke man ka bone na Asantefo no ana hyeda efefi nsemu e de tribalism ebe mu to raf aba kan chire Asantefo no.
Charlie, me sorry I no pay and say obi said yes go for me say omo here Asante the you to say movement to say TV say the bad dey akoto Facebook say I will hear from them soon. Pepa cho which me ana mangasa edin a mo de frɛ Otumfuo no mo nti ase edin me bisa question bi one me say me bisa question say ya demonstration last year about galamsey. This year ya demonstration about galamsey. In fact mama shatade back again. Charlie ya demonstration last year and ya demonstration this year about the same galamsey. But then ya wo ahemfo bi wo manyimu a Ghana hanum nia no omo nya Ghana nia hene, right? But even internationally, you know, we've been able to raise them high to gain that international recognition. Obia di enidi emasa nipa no. First thing I want to ask Asante Mbegunu a omubu ofu. Adina omubu ofu no so na makofa bi yo. Unim say they don't mu ye ni nia ne. Hey Rafa no enye bibia o. MPP ntia. Rafa ye de dama MPP Lucy election. Nti sa Rafa ye mu ye hiama ye hu de ebeye. Nti wakobo Otumfuo di aka asem. Ye hye da anfa no nane asem no na ye nye ne say ba nyanseni nyanseni na kwasea kwasea. Oye kwasea dan a oye kwasea onsesa na adwene da. Ba nyanseni enti asem a me ken. No fa nkwa adwendwenim. Minim say nkwasiafo de dey comment section be da omu hodi nkwasiafo no. But enye nkwasiafo nkwa no hwe no video. So sometimes it is right enough for me to speak up and explain certain things to Inyan Safwa etieme. But Messi Semu Raf Akwe wa wouldn't say MPP didn't go from powers. I say I say Kalisi. Anyway, let's get back. Let's get back to the conversation. Asantehene ni din a ye de friend in sabra ne baako ede Otumfuo ye din a ye de ma Nyankopon ana obi a otumi ade nyina ye ana meboa Otumfuo Ghana hemfo obi eni wo mpa me mpomate sese efre no Otumfuo but ebi wo ho a Asantehene eni anim no and ye kan kasa mu ye wo kasa bi se de owo din no eni ye body din e de kan asem right enti omo ye ena okromu ni ne ena mikromu yene oni din mikromu yene on kasa ntre president ma president ntie in fact president nkono ho enkongotie kasa efutuo oyene a yenim no okromu ya no mo say president fo e wo manyimu nia no eja ahemfu nia eja na omo kono ho ekogie efutuo eye hwan tro no comment section no. So if say I kasa for galamsey ho aka na say yempeyimfo na wo amanyomu no entia na me kase edumre a ese yesu eso yempeyimfo a eye ahemfo ni nemu na omutumi a omuso wo omutumi de kasa che yamanyofo no na omutie maya atendidie ben wodi Otumfuo. Now I made a statement like a question that I was posing to omwane eni omudin common that Otumfuo in the maline say a friend saying elisi in sasem ye de man kofo so omye galamsey no, but at the end of the day Otumfuo wo mutumi say obetumi esi omukwan say ema obia empia monten emma masase so because me ye mamamre and mamanye, which has been accepted and mandated in the constitution. I accepted by the constitution. Inti ohinibia akaini hinibia and sa de nye asante memupe. Misa me mama catch them, right? That gone are the days when dentira hinibi etwa na okwe kura. Eda omo be kwa even eda na obeto no ene eda ye kwa kosie no, you dare not even open your windows. So what I say, inti sa ne dametrim fiti me mofra se ansa na me ba besua amamre ene amane ababa be hu sa enwoma no inti se me ugiden di me buden me suro den ene da anwoma no sa amamre ene amane no me ntoto na se me nkokuma se sa abre na ye nse na me okuma se dade me mpie nkwaje hwe wa abonten because e amamre ene amane and sa abre no ahonhum mpo epie ekugya sa nipa no ebesia no. So what I say, so would you be an awunjin, a mamre ni amani? So what I say, intino say, yeah, yes, I'm mamrena. I don't have any problem with that. But the to me, yajia to me say, ya him for no, to me the mamre ni amani no, ekasa, ema yem paying for, ajia to ewa ya mamrani. The same to me, no, I him for ni be able to me, afre, a friend say, politicians, like I say, enough is enough, and omubeti and omunti. And on hine baako or what Ghana hanuma yan toto na se baako ene yebowura on hine baako yan toto na se yana on hine baako yan toto na se ni takitai on hine baako yan toto na se ye friend say chebi hine on hine baako yan toto na se odefo bom pensema wonya ne baby ko on hine baako yan toto na se Otumfuo Asantehene inti se bo ahemfudin na se wo de emu baako edin ehyewa eno nkyere se wo bu nanimtia na emum wo kai om se ne nananom na se bibi ina nkoyi a me ntumi nsore nko mensia ahemfie enkoka asem nkyere na ye se wo pese wo ka asem kyere nyame nti wo kasa kyere hwan emframa me pa acho Otumfuo na bodi baako e defra ne ye den na me kese ana nyeza nyame nso ye obi a otumi ade nyina ye di bibi akonyame wa yem sign fam mafia biem e wa bra yenya ho mfaso ana meboa enti se ubodin mpo se na no Otumfuo eja hemfo nkai bia eye mana no so na enye fom na mede na ebo enam se ebi mo agimi no mo nwene nko etire hu se de eye fa ne se ye de soawa ye de jawa ne ye de asoa wunti no ye de aba enu nti na ye bodin uni ba de ko nti am bo rafudi eye ade ko na ntia the Jawa near the Aswang. But you see, colors, tribalism is one thing that our leadership should start doing something about it. Our leadership should start doing something about it. It is getting out of hand. There are some people that have created certain kind of a society that is inciting violence. And my mom really that violent in India. Majority of them are coming from a particular tribe, but they've lost their self and they are following these people, making whatever you people think a reality for you. But in no time, Kwasia, Senenitia, Agrobegu. The same people you people insult every day. You see that foolish boy now, or Koka, say, Ena Asantehene then Omukosi na me wahanu na me then Omkoche no mabono. They could have, you know, mess someone no about in fear, action and so I and whatever. No. At least sometimes, you know, it makes sense from the other round because nipa ne be jimmy to the extent that sometimes you need to, you know, shake them and can say publicly. Yet say no ke ye na say much say no mo de no call ahemfie e wo menhia wo. Na ye kwache ne boho na adechi anopa ye ne bre no ye de na to table bi so na ye hwe ne timprɛn by saa imprɛn na ye betwa ne nia no ye de kira ahodo say yenje ya mamre ene ya mane entum na ye ma Ghana no entum pon e wo ya mamre ene ya mane mu which we are being recognized for our culture. But not to say, yeah, mu say tribe be a powerful. Now, dear, ukoye bibi a betumi ekum. Yede ne say, ye betumi ekum nipa. But ye mprimpum tuo. And ye nia no, ye mebunu no, na e insight. Mr. President, let me put my hand down for the maximum of respect. Mr. President, something needs to be done about this. The tribalism happening on social media, the incitement happening on social media is getting out of hand. You know, there is something called butterfly effect. Gradually, something is building. Some angers are building. And in no time, something might trigger that we never expected. Let's do something about this. Traditional rulers of this country, respectfully, you people should start adding your voices. Some of our subjects, the kind of statement they are issuing against other tribes is very denigratory, very disrespecting, and we are one people. Ghanaians are Guans, and Guans come from different, we came from one place and diverted into different tribes. But the way we disrespect each other in certain angles, respectfully, political and traditional rulers, something needs to be done about this. Something needs to be done. Now, to all those who have been insulting, gone are the days, amambirimu, ye kwa kusi o henia, ne ka yensio, sa yensia no, yensamunku, se yesia wa, enya boni bebu keke. But I leave you with this video.
Galamsey is an environmental enemy for the nation. What could be more serious for any people than to have their entire water supply system at risk? I think as lawyers, you should find space during this conference to set up a panel to undertake a quick tour of the communities where this scourge is most prevalent, to see the extent of the crisis we face and hopefully deliberate on how the law should respond. As I see it, if an individual poisons the water supply of a community, you'll be liable for severe consequences under the law. What does the law do when one pours mercury into the same water supply, knowing fully well it can kill? This issue now requires the collective effort of all sections of society. To do nothing is no longer an option. The Bar Association, the Medical Association, and the universities, in particular my university, should get together and carve a new path to deal with this emergency. Yesterday, whilst I was driving from Cape Coast, in fact, going to Cape Coast, I stopped about the river Pra, and it was, I'm afraid I have to tell you that what I saw, the river, it was so embarrassing, and then if
I the one speaking?
We live for this to happen to us.
Long live Ghana, and God continue to bless our homeland.
We have
Let's
to
go
fight
traditional rulers. Call
no
on
matter
you to
what,
speak up.
we have to do that.
And to remember because Ralph, I better trade the idea. As I remember, I better trade the idea. We're going to Mami, comment section. I Penyah Media.